Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am grade 3 English literature teacher. Remember, we have started chapter number 2, The Pauper Meets the Prince. In that chapter, in the previous, we have learned that Tom Canty started to go for begging as usual, but went so far away that he reached the gate of the Palace of Westminster, and he saw the gate was of golden color and the soldiers were guiding the gate. So he was very much excited, and he at once recognized that this is the gate of the Palace of Westminster. And then he saw a boy standing beside the gate, and he was wearing very nice clothes and jewels, and he's holding a sword also. So he understood that he is the King Edward, the Prince Edward. So after that, we have studied that in this excitement, he was so much excited that he has come to the Palace of Westminster and the Golden Gates, that he tried to push the gate and wanted to get inside. So as he tried to push the gate, the soldiers came quickly and they pushed him away and said, "Get away, you young beggar." In this, I have given you the reference to the context, and that is, "Get away, you young beggar." Reference to the context is you get a line like, "Get away, you young beggar." Now you have to say who said these lines. The soldier said these lines, and then if I ask to whom it was said, so it is said to Tom Canty. Circumstances is when Tom Canty tried to push the golden gates to get into the palace. Then we go further, and then we say, "Get away, you young beggar," he shouted. The crowd laughed, but the young prince ran towards the gate. His face was red with anger. The young Prince Edward didn't like that somebody's pushing the beggar, so he stopped. "Stop that," he shouted. "Open the gates and let the boy in." So he asked the soldiers to let the boy in, and then he asked the boy that, "You look tired and hungry." This also I have given for reference to the context. You can see, "You look tired and hungry." You will be asked who said these lines. So Prince Edward said these lines. To whom these lines are said? So Tom Canty. It is said to Tom Canty. And what were the circumstances? Tom Canty. The circumstances is when the prince saw the look and clothes of Tom Canty. On that, the prince said that, "You look tired and hungry." Then we go ahead, and we read ahead, and we learnt that so now the boy Prince Edward took Tom to a beautiful room, his own room, and he ordered his servants to bring some food for him. So the servants brought so much food, the chicken, bread, and fruit. And the Tom Canty had not eaten such a nice food, so he was putting the food in his mouth, and he was very, very happy. He couldn't speak at all. Now we started from the second part of this chapter, and that is Tom talk about his life. Now then, the Tom Canty started to tell about the prince, about his mother and sisters, and about his cruel father and grandmother. And Tom Canty told that his father is shouting all the time. So Prince Edward also told that, "My father also shouts at everybody." And he said that, "I think perhaps all the fathers are the same." But King Prince Edward was very much sad that he don't have a mother, because his mother died when he was born. Now Prince Edward asked Tom that, "How many servants have you got?" And Tom Canty said, "Servants, we haven't got any servants, my lord. We are too poor." That also I have given for reference to the context. Poor people don't have servants. This I have taken from here. It is here. Poor people don't have servants. So who is saying this? Poor people don't have servants. Tom Canty is saying that poor people don't have servants. And to whom these lines are said? it is said to Prince Edward, and the circumstances is that when Prince Edward asked Tom Canty that do you have servants, so in response, in reply to that, Tom Canty said that poor people don't have servants because they cannot afford the servants. Then next is then we step ahead, and then he says the prince listened eagerly to Tom's answers, but he could not imagine a life without beautiful clothes, wonderful food, and a palace full of servants. You speak well, he said to Tom. Who is your teacher? This also I have given for reference to the context, and it is you speak well, who is your teacher? Now, who is saying these lines? Of course, Prince Edward is saying these lines, and to whom Prince Edward is saying these lines to Tom Canty. And what are the circumstances? The circumstances are because Tom Canty was speaking very nicely, he was giving very fine answers because he has learned how to deal with the prince and the princess, and he knows how to speak nicely with the proper way of speaking. So that's why Prince Edward was asking that you are speaking well, so who is your teacher? So of course his teacher, Tom Canty's teacher, was you know it very well, you have learnt it, that Tom Canty's teacher was Father Andrew. So you can discuss that also, that Father Andrew was his teacher, and these all things you will write in circumstances. This is your homework. You will copy down this work. This is a specimen that how will you do this, and then this is your homework. Thank you very much. I hope you understand the homework. Allah Hafiz.